Well, good morning, YouTubers. This is Terry from my cottage up north. Today we got a little project I'm going to be working on. I am putting some outside mirrors on my tractor, and right now I just got it mocked up. I've just got it mocked up where I want to put them. I need to make some bracketry for it, and then I'm also going to put out some LED lights on. So we'll take you along for that and show you what we're going to do, and I won't videotape the whole thing, but I'll keep coming back and show you my progress. All right, let's get at it. Okay, YouTubers, here we go. This is, I think, going to be my final product. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm going to put some lights facing out this way in case I have to plow at night because the headlights aren't for crap. And then on this side of the bracket, that's going to be my mirrors, my side mirrors. And I think that's going to work out pretty good. Now I got to take the brackets back off and I got to paint everything so it doesn't all rust up. But I think it's going to work pretty good. Once I get everything mounted, then it's all the wiring. So we'll check back in with you later. This is where we are with our mirror light combinations. I don't know if you can see them or not. Got them mounted. Brackets are finished, they're on. The lights and the mirrors are mounted. Now we'll go around this side. See, on this side we got the mirrors. And naturally it's the same on the other side. Now the wiring process begins. YouTubers, she's totally complete. I put when I put this together here, I put in butt connectors, but then I put shrink tubing around it and heated that up, so that should be good. We'll take that off. So that ought to be good. Down on the bottom, let's see if I can get a picture of that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. This is my connector down here. In case I would ever want to take off the front end loader, I got disconnects here where I could take it off, and then the lights and the mirror and everything will go right with it. So that's all on, and the best part of it is it works. So let me turn some lights off and I'll show you. Be pretty dark here for a second. All right. This is the reveal. If I can find the key. I should have some lights when I want to plow at night now. I think it's going to be really good. If I can't see now to plow, there's something wrong with me. So I got plenty of light to plow now. All right. So that'll be the end of this one. Let me get some lights back on here and turn this off. All right, that'll be the end of this project. It wasn't much. I kept it short for you so you didn't have to go through all the tedium of everything I was doing. So, came out nice. I'm happy with it. And now I should have plenty of light if I need to plow at night. All right, YouTubers, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and hit that little bell. And then YouTube will notify you whenever I put up a new video. Till then, we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.